All right, all right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We're going to do a little day trading today, and then if we have time, we're going to go over and we got to look at our UBI, Universal Basic Income portfolio. But right now, we're going to just take a look at the markets and see if they're not doing anything, which we can see right now. They're not really doing anything. So, oh, there's the opening bell. There we go. Now they're starting to do something. Look at that. Holy cow. Way to go, opening bell. Nice job. Okay, so that is the the opening bell is back here. This is 8 o'clock, top of the hour. This thing is rocking and rolling. These are the micros over in the futures market. I said it on the little marquee out front, the little key, whatever they call that thing, thumbnail. The thumbnail. I said we're going to do a little day trading, and we're looking in the futures market and the stock market today. And so we are just looking at the S&P 500 up here in the left-hand corner, and up in the upper right-hand corner, we have the Dow. Bottom right-hand corner, we have the NASDAQ, and bottom left-hand corner, we have the Russell. Now, these are 2-minute charts, and so the market's going a little crazy right now. We need it to calm down before we can do much with this one here. So in the meantime, while we wait for the indexes to calm down and start to trend one direction or the other, looks like we might be up today. I don't know. Sometimes it goes up, gets everybody excited about going long, and then flushes. Because if you look at the 5 o'clock bell, 5 o'clock, it's just been going down ever since the 5 o'clock bell. And then at 7:30, kind of gives you the impression that it wants to go up. But oftentimes it does that. It'll give you the down, and it'll give you this little crazy thing, and then everybody thinks it's going to go long, so they throw in all their long positions, and then they take it and they go, and it flushes out from under them, and everybody loses their money, except for the guys who knew it was going to do that. All right, let's watch this one. Let's wait for this one to form. We're going to come over here, and we're going to go to our little table here. There's Pitt News Magazine. For those of you who are not Pitt News Magazine subscribers, that's the what's the March issue. March issue of Pitt News Magazine. There it is. It's a really good one this time. Can we turn $5,000 into $1 million in 5 years? Jordan Black, he does a little crazy math in there to show you what compounded interest can do if you do it right. And that's a fun little article. But this is Pitt News Magazine, and you can see that we've got in here Generated Income Synthetic Covered Calls by Aiden Gray. Strategic Entry Pairs Trading by me. That's a really good article. Pairs trading, man, you guys got to learn about this. This is a really good article here. Of course, I wrote it. Of course, it's a good article. All right. So if you don't have subscription to Pitt News Magazine, it's really easy to get. All you have to do is just go right over here to pittnews.com, and it's on sale right now for half off, 50% off. So it's generally $39.95, but you can get it for $19.97 over at pittnews.com with the code 50% OFF. Type that in when you check out, and you can get Pitt News Magazine. All right, that wasn't meant to be an ad. I was just going to come over here and go to this thing right here. Let's come over here and go to the Qs. All right, no, we don't want the Qs, though. We're going to come in here, and we're going to go to the bubble screener. We're going to go to the maps, and we're going to go to the bubbles, and we're going to see if anything's percolating up today. Oh, we don't want market of capital. We want volume. There we go. All right, mRNA. Ooh, look at that baby rock and roll. I wonder how come. Why in the heck is mRNA going up? Nobody likes those guys. They got bad voodoo. They've got bad voodoo. They got bad voodoo. There's NVIDIA. They're trying to get a little volume going in there. Palantir's turning the corner. Ooh, we like Palantir. SMC. All the good ones turning the corner. Well, that one's not. That one's down. What is that? Apple. Of course, Apple's down. Of course, Apple's down. What's this one? CrowdStrike. Ugh. CrowdStrike Holdings. That's not a good one. Bank of America. Flushing like a toilet. Tesla. Tesla's trying to rally today. We need to go look at Tesla. We need Tesla to rally because, my gosh, I got some Tesla. We got some Tesla in our portfolio. Let's go look at this. I don't want to look at it. It's depressing. All right, look at it. We're down $20,000 on it because we got these long-term leaps. What we did is we come in here, and I came in early, and I know I did it. I know I was anticipating that this thing was going to curl and turn right here, and this was going to be the bottom. And it's coming down, and it didn't break the blue lights. I should have waited till it broke the blue lights, but no, Lan had to go in a little soon. But you have to give me a little credit. I was teaching that in a class. All right. So I was teaching how to do it. And I said, let's do it on Tesla. And I said in the class, this might not be the perfect opportunity, but we're going to do it anyway because we need to learn. All right. So I guess you learn sometimes when things go against you, you still learn. All right. This is a learning environment. So we put this on to learn what they were. And it's a leap. It's 317 days. We got a 317-day put in here too to help cover that. Two of them. And then we sold a naked right here. So we collected another 655, but we were collecting 9,000 here. We paid 25,000 here. And we just need the market to turn and go back up. Right now, I just sold a covered call against it. So we're making 2,500 right here. So the model that this is how YieldMax trades. All right. Now, of course, they don't do just one. They keep doing them. So they've got ladders going. But this is how I was teaching the YieldMax strategy, and this is what they do. So if it goes against them, this happens to them too. And so you have to realize what they do to correct for this. Well, they sell some more covered calls against it. So you see this receiving $2,500. Well, they can do that every few days. We're up $1,000 right now. So you could take that profit against the 25,000 that were down, but that would be your profit. And if you were in the YieldMax funds, that's how they would pay you a dividend this month, is off of these covered calls, because they're up $1,000 this month on this one, and they'll receive a full 2,500 on it if it hits that purple line before it hits the red line, which I'm certain it's going to do. So they'll get a full $2,500 on this one, and then they'll distribute that to you as a dividend. And you'll say, yeah, but they're down. Well, yeah, they are. So they need before 300 and they need three. It's just a drawdown. Don't freak out. They don't have to pay it. It's just a paper tiger right now. They got 317 days, and this market has to turn and be above, just has to go back up, and it doesn't have to go up a lot. I mean, it just, because they're going to sit there and sell covered calls against it the whole time, paying all that off. They'll pay that $25,000 down pretty quick. Plus, they're receiving $9,000 on this one here. So, there's things that are happening here behind the scenes, but that's how that thing works. And that's why we put it on there, so we could learn. And yes, it's in a nasty drawdown right now, but hey, we got 365 days for it to turn around and go into a positive turn. And we've also, along the way, we're going to be selling covered calls against it and naked puts. And so we'll make money. Don't worry about it. It'll make money. It'll make money. We've already sold a couple of these and made a couple $1,000s on covered calls already. And that's just the nature of the beast. We'll see. We'll see. The end of the year, if it's still down here, we might just have a break-even trade where we just lost 25,000 on the call, but we made up 25,000 in the covered calls. Who knows? Let's see. That's the way it works. And we'll do another one so that we don't lose money. This one might be a break even, but we'll do another one and we'll make money on that one, on the other one. So we'll just make money, just make lots of money. Okay, but let's go look at the ones that we were trading before. Ford was one. Now Ford wasn't percolating up on our coffee percolator over here. I didn't see Ford. There's GM. Oh, that is Ford. So Ford's popping. Ford's popping. GM is popping. FCX. Well, Trump gave a speech last night, got everybody all excited. So everybody's turning, except for crowdsource. Intel's back down again. They were up, now they're down. Apple. NVIDIA. NVIDIA just moved up. Let's go look at NVIDIA. NVDA. Oh, wrong one. How are you guys today? Didn't even ask. NVDA. NVDA. All right. Bruce is saying he's good morning. It's nice to see you in here, Bruce. We got John saying good morning. We got a couple guys. We got more guys watching than who are saying hello. So if you guys want to say hello, throw up your little marquees. It's good to see you guys in here saying hello. Good morning to you too. NVIDIA. Ooh. NVIDIA. Drive 1, counter trend, drive 2. And it looks like it's got a long ways to go. I don't want to see NVIDIA drop. I got some NVIDIA. It'd be nicer to see NVIDIA just go sideways. I don't really care if it goes up. I don't really care if it goes down. I mean, I don't want it to go down. I just don't want it to go I just don't want it to go down. I just want it to stay sideways or up because I have NVDY. And it's paying me a nice little dividend. Every month kicks out a little bit of money. And then I just go reinvest it somewhere else. But it's not giving us any opportunities to day trade either. We got the blue lights coming in here. If it'll cross those blue lights, we might be able to put in a long position, but we'll see. I don't think it's doing anything today. Intel, Ford. Ford's the only one that seems in. There's Pfizer. What was it? It was MNRA, right? mRNA. Trying to pop here. You can invest in mRNA and get dividends. They have mRNY. I think it's mRNY. Is the dividend side. Let's come look at the 2-minute chart. It's trying to go. Oh, not really. This is just fooling. That's the counter trend though. Look how choppy it is. So we got a nice smooth trend, and then we got choppy, 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 coming back down, trying to touch this blue light, and then we'd turn and expect it to make a little A, B, C, D pattern, right? We're going to go A, B, C, and see if it won't go back up. Everything's not happy right now. Come on, baby. You know what we could do just for fun? Just for fun to put some orders on. Let's come in here with that's $800. Let's put in 25 shares, and we'll put a limit right here on the blue light, on the red line. If it touches it, we'll take 25 shares and anticipate a continuation of the uptrend. If it comes down here and touches this one, we'll put on another 25 shares. And if it comes down here and touches this one right here, breaks this low right here below that point, we'll take another 25 shares, which should be that 200 period moving average. And if it doesn't, comes all the way down here, we'll take another 25 shares there. Now, if it comes down and we get 25 shares all the way down to there, and that's 100 shares, that would be a loss. Because then we'd take 100 shares and we'd stop out at this level here. And we'd say, I guess we were wrong. Uh-oh. Couldn't place MR stop loss on the results. Oh, they don't let you do that in the stock market. In the stock market, you can't have open orders and then also place your stop order for 100 like that, knowing that the market will come down and hit all those 25, and then that would be your stop because you're not actually into the market yet. So it doesn't let you do that. Stupid, I know. But that's the name of the beast. That's the rules of the game. They got to get rules of the game. And so you can do that over here. Not that I think you want to. We're just demonstrating. We'll see if mRNA makes a little bit of money for us, but who knows? Who knows? But you could do the same. Watch this. I'll do it for you just to show you that you can, because this is the futures market. Last bastion of true capitalism on earth today. If you want to come in here and go limit and put a limit order here and put a limit order here, we'll put it right there at that green, and a limit order here. I'm being strategic about this. Notice. Put another limit order down here. All these different locations that are areas of support, and we put another limit here. If it breaks that, we don't want a limit. We want to get out, so that'd be 4. So we take 4 contracts, and we put a stop order down there. And look at that. Boom, boom, boom. They let you do it. Don't you love the futures market? You gotta love the futures market. This is the stock market. Oh, it didn't even give us one. It's going to take off without us. The blue light's way up there. Let's see. It might just give a little bump and then come back down anyway. Come on, Mr. mRNA. But you know what's funny too? Over here, they don't care about any of these. They don't care about them. It's not they don't take that away from your buying power because you don't have buying power in the futures market. You just have money. And then if it fills, then it takes the margin away. If it doesn't fill, it doesn't. It doesn't count against you. But over here in the stock market, it does. See that? We got all these. It took away all of the buying power for all those. So we don't have any money left because we used it all up in open positions. Oh, I heard a ding. Oh, we got filled over here on the Dow. Okay, hold on. I got to drink some tea. Is this a good strategy? No, I don't know. I've had it make me a lot of money before doing this. I've also had it hand me my ass before. I generally don't do this strategy, but it's fun because when it works really good. Comes down, fills up 3 contracts, turns and goes to the moon, and you go to the moon with it with 3 contracts. It might leave that one last one down there you don't fill, but you get all 3 of these or something like that. You don't know how far it's going to come against you before it turns and goes back up. The whole key is it's just got to go back up. And sometimes it doesn't do that. Sometimes it just keeps going down. That's why you have your stop order down there to get you out. But that's a nasty loss if that happens, which is why we trade options, which is why you need to come to my options class next week. So put an option in here, you do basically the same idea, but you have a max loss. You just can't lose anymore. And the thing is, it's a soft stop. So even if the market goes all the way down here and then turns around and goes back up, you still make money. You don't get stopped out with a loss. Pretty cool. So we'll do options next in a couple of weeks. We'll start doing options. We could day trade with options. We'll do that. All right. So these are all buy limit orders. So as it comes down, we'll pick up a couple of these and then anticipate that it's going to turn and start to rally once again. Maybe we'll get a little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll have happy campers today if that happens. But nobody knows. Nobody knows the trouble I'm in. Let's come over here and see what else we can look at. Oh, we were going to go look at PLTR. Oh, we got one contract going long on us. PLTR. Let's go over here. Chart. PLTR. Oh, we already looked at PLTR. There it is right there. It's trying to go long. I say we put some positions on that one. What do you say? We got an arrow, broke the blue lights. It's above the VWAP. We got a signal. We got a green flat bottom bar. All you can do is lose money if you're wrong. But if goes up, we make money. How much is 1,000 shares? $85,000. Well, we don't have that much. Let's put in 250 shares. That's $21,000. Should we put that in there? It's pulling back against us. 500 shares. It's $42,000. Buy. All right, we just put $42,000 into the market. Of course, we're not going to risk $42,000. We're going to come in here with a stop order for the same 500 quantity. We're going to put it right on the VWAP, right on the little blue line. Boom, just like that. Okay, we're just going to kind of leave it right there. There it is. And we'll wait for it. We can turn on chart overlay ATR. And ATR is set to 1-to-1. And we'll go right click, edit, trail. And we'll put that on ATR. And we'll put that on OK. And now if the ATR starts to trail up behind this market, it'll move up with it. And we won't have to sit here and stare at it all day, trying to wonder whether we should get in or out or in or out or in or out. And then if it goes up and makes a nice little uptrend, then the blue light will catch up and we can spin that off and we'll say, okay, we're going to put one on the blue light. We'll put 250 on the blue light, 250 on the yellow light. Yellow light will get stopped out sooner. The blue light hangs out a little bit longer just to see if it wants to go farther. Of course, you risk more doing that, but you know what? That's the name of the game, right? Risk versus reward. All right, we got a pretty heavy position on here with Palantir. So we really rocking and rolling on this one. Let's go over and look at something else. Let's go see how we're doing over here. Oh, it popped up and now it's coming back down. Now we're long two. All right, we're long two on that one. We're just going to let that one go. Let's see what else. Oh, mRNA really moving higher. Ford's taking off. What's this big one again? NVIDIA. NVIDIA's coming back down. NVIDIA, Intel's going down. Palantir is the one we think is going to go up today. We got our money on Palantir. We've shot to probably put it over here on Ford. Let's go look on Ford. Let's see. We're not going to take a bigger risk. We just got a little risk in here. We're up $350 right now. That's not a bad little wage. Not a bad little income. Still moving higher. Let's see. This one's pulling back. This one's moving higher. And then this one's pulling back. What were we going to do? I forgot. Oh, we were going to go look at Ford, see if we could get some money on Ford. We got a little bit of money sitting around. Oh, we got a position on mRNA too, don't we? We do. 25 shares. Starting to go. Well, that's good. It's up $490. Our goal is $500 a day. We just want to make $500 a day. That's it. Can you make could you guys live on $500 a day? How much is that? $1,000 a day is like $100,000 a year. This is like $50,000 a year. That's not a bad little side income. We just made $500 and it's only 8:30 my time. Now I could go have a job. Starts at 9. But why would I do that when I can do this? Oh, I don't know why you would do anything else. This is just a good way to make money. Just like anything else. I mean, you can hand carts out at Walmart, but I don't think they're going to give you this much. I don't know. Anyway, this is what we do. We just sit here like this. That's why I have a little larger amount of weight around my waist than I should. Probably lose weight if I go do carts at Walmart. Let's see. Ford Motor Company. Nothing wrong with that. Looks like it wants to go up. It's trying to break that previous high right there. See that? Broke those blue lights. We got these blue lights. Got that little line in there, line in the sand. It's trying to go, isn't it? Let's give her a little juice. How many of these do we want? 1,000. There's 2,000. How much we got left? We've got $18,000. There's $5,000. Let's go boom, 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 just like that. And we'll put our stop in here. That's 500. We got to do 500. We'll just put it right here. We'll just say if you break below that little blue line, well, then you weren't a trade I wanted to be in anyway. So we'll just put you right there on the VWAP, just like that. And if it stops us out, well, it stops us out. Well, we'll try again later. Right now, mRNA. Looks like it's going to turn and come back down, doesn't it? Going to do one of these. Maybe it'll give us another 25 down here and then go. Or it might do this up here. Do this, and then 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 do this the rest of the day. Who knows? Nobody knows. All right, we're locking in a little profit right here. We got 500 up at the yellow dots. Let's give it a little room to grow. Let's not try and be so aggressive. But you got your $500 laying. Just take it and run. Go to Walmart. Give out baskets. I could do that. I can just put this a little bit above our break even since it got to break even, or hit edit. And we're going to stop. We're going to turn off the trailing stop for right now. Just leave it right there. If it comes down and stops us out, well, then it wasn't a trade we want to be in anyway. And then we give back we'll keep maybe $50 or something as a consolation prize. But if it turns and keeps rallying, we'll make more. But I don't want to stop out and then have it turn and rally. That's not very fun. We'll just leave it here for now. Let's see what this is doing. Yeah, it's still coming down. Ford Motor Company. It's not going up like we thought it might. Come on, baby, rock and roll. You know what we can do to make this one go up? We got little Mr. Rock and Roll here. Let's come and put me over here. You're going to put me over here. Just like magic, I can move around on the screen. Okay, here we go. Let's make Ford Motor Company go up in value. I think that's going to help. Go up, Ford. We're going to put this in his hand. Got to put it in his right hand. Okay, we pinned his right hand. That's his money hand. Come on, Ford Motor Company. Playing with dolls. Intel. You're no good, Intel. Not today. Boom. See ya. mRNA, we're playing this little game here. We'll see if anything comes of it. Ford. What? 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 What are you doing, Ford? Oh, Ford. Did I need to poke this in your right hand instead? Man, you're powerless, dude. Today, very disappointed in my what do they call these things? Poppet. My poppet. Very disappointed in my Ford poppet. Hmm. That didn't do any good. mRNA still coming down. Let's go look at Palantir's coming down too. Palantir's coming back against us. We gonna get stopped out on Palantir? Yep. Closed positions. Well, that gave us 95 and minus 20. Nothing you can do when the market doesn't want to go up. You can stab your little magic wand to stab your little poppet, but that's about the extent of all you can do to make a market go up once you get in. Come on, little puppet. Maybe we stabbed the wrong one. Maybe we should do this guy. He's a meaner one looking. You think he's meaner? Which one do you think's meaner? Him or him? I don't know. They're both pretty mean. Pretty mean looking dudes. I don't know. Which one do you think's going to make the market go up more? Okay. Yeah, look, it's trying to go up again. Oh, this is SMCI. This isn't. Did I call that PLTR? Oh, no, this is PLTR here. But look, it's trying to go up again. A little pullback, stop everybody out, and go again. Is it going to go again? Let's try it. Let's try it. We might have just been a little bit premature in getting out. Who knows? Let's wait for a second and see. Watch that tiny chart up there in the right corner. Take another 500 of these things. This is just a little minor pullback right here. And maybe this is what we call a pennant formation, making a little pennant formation. We want it to break out the top of this. Generally, we call these continuation formations, but it's sure moving slow, isn't it? It's like cold tar today. Cold tar for a morning bell. It's not doing anything for us. What is our Dow? We're long 3 on the Dow. We got 1 left down here and we get stopped out. Come on, Mr. Dow. Mr. Dow. Trade 1 limit. Let's put another one right here. Comes down here and breaks that bottom. We'll get another one right there. But we need it to go up. We need it to go up, or we're going to be sad puppies. Lan, I could have told you it was going to come down. Well, how could you have told me it was going to come down? Because look at the MACD. The MACD is a big mountain up in there. Of course it's going to come down. Why didn't you do this when it was down here in the bottom? Well, you are probably smarter than me then. You should have probably just waited for that to come down. on, Mr. Dow. It's going to touch us and break that low and give us that other one right there. It would be 4 long. This is the micro. It's not the mini. So 5 long would be half a mini. Oh, come on. Drink some tea. Wake up, Lan. It's morning. All right. It just hit the delta cone of probability. Never heard me say that word before. Let's draw it in there. Top to bottom. There it is. Delta cone of probability. Some people call this a Fibonacci ruler. Not me. I relabeled it. So we're right dead center on our average entry. And it's bouncing off that 61.8 pullback. Ooh, I drew it upside down. Lan. Draw it upside right. Okay, I will. There we go. Now it's upside right. Is it upside right or is it right side up? I don't know. I don't know which is right. Upside right? Right upside. Okay, time to go. Time to motate. Everybody buy. All right. 1, 2, 3. Everybody buy. Everybody buy the Dow. Dow wants to go up. Yeah, we're about back to break even. Or is that just a quick little pop? We can turn on the bulls and bears. It's like the cheat codes. It says this got some more downside potential. Look how high the blue light is, way up there. Way up there. But notice it lags a little. It's a little slow. It just counts the waves. It's the wave counting tool. So it'll go up, hit the blue light, and come back down again, probably, if it's a weak market. Which today's pretty weak market. We're not seeing any explosions out of here. This was actually not a bad little move here on this first thing in the morning. Wasn't a bad little move. Come on. Man. Sometimes trading is boring. Got nothing going on here. Nothing. Ford. Dead. Look how dead Ford found on road dead. Found on road dead. Dead Ford. We tried that one. Got nowhere. mRNA. Can you believe we're making money on mRNA? $7. It only filled one share, one order. We only got one filled. NVIDIA. Pfizer. Hey, the drug companies are doing well. Breaking the blue lights. Look at that. Why weren't we watching Pfizer? We are watching Pfizer. Look at that. Who spelled that? What? How come Pfizer has a P in it? Silent P. Pfizer. I don't know. Seems a little strange to me. All right, there we go. There's our spider web. So that's our break above the blue lights right there. If you wanted to put anything on Pfizer, that's our break. Would have been nicer to be down here, I know, but we weren't watching it down there for that break. Broke above the magic blue line, which is the VWAP. Blue lights. This is the horizontal. What would we look for? We would look for a rally from here to here. And then we're going to measure from here to here. And now it's slowing down a little bit. This was a little faster, you can see. Slowing down a little bit, but right up here, this would be our equilibrium, and then 100% would be the same distance from this A to this B. It doesn't look like it, but it would be right up to that 100% right there. And then we would expect it to go to 100%, then turn around and come back down, at least touch that previous low, setting off a Fibonacci bow tie. And we'd see if it would honor that line right there and go back up again with the third drive. That would be nice. We could call this an ABC bottom and a third drive high. Think it's going to go all the way up to 100%? Nobody knows. We got a nice little drive up in here. Let's see if it's going to come back down and give us something like this. Come down. I don't know. I don't know. I wish it was going a little stronger. I wish it was going up like that. And then come down, honor the natural trend line. But it is what it is. You can only make it do so many things. Oh, Moderna didn't give us this extra 25 down here. So I guess it is what it is too. Let's wait and see, because it might still give us extra more. It's got the blue line there. If it comes back down to the blue line, we'll see. We'll see. We're not going to put anything. We're not going to get excited about this one yet. It just touched the blue lights. Went up and touched it just like a hot plate. Touched it. Now it'll back off. So we'll see how far it backs off. Back over to NVIDIA. Nothing. Pfizer. What's it doing? There, we're getting our little break right there. Got to go the other way. Go the other way, Lan. This way. There we go. All right. There's our little break we were looking for. Oh, well, that was short-lived. There it went. Went without us. Get in there, Lan. Fight, win. Well, we missed it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 green bars. You think I want to buy at the top of those 8 green bars? No, somebody got mad at me for doing that over here earlier. We said, look, your MACD's way up there. What are you buying up there for? Okay, here we go. We didn't get our other one filled right here. Now it's going. $57. mRNA. Oh, mRNA. You're a sad state of affairs. There's our Dow. There's our Dow. There she blows. Let's get rid of these. Pop, pop. And we'll just take this one and we'll say edit. Oh, wait a second. We don't want that one. Oh, we can still use it. We'll go edit and we're going to trade the quantity. We changed quantity. How many quantities do we have? 3. So we go down 1. And we're going to trail on the little green dots. The little green man. ATR. Boom. Just like that. And hit OK. And away we go. That thing should start trailing for us. All right. There's nothing else you can do. All right. Here we go. This is all we can do at this point. Okay, that's it. It's the extent of my efforts. I'm not even going to stab real hard. Oh my gosh. This little guy. We put it in the wrong hand. Maybe that's why. We put it in the left hand. It's supposed to be in the right hand. The left hand doesn't know what the right hand's doing. Yeah, that's not doing us any good. NVIDIA. Oh, NVIDIA's bouncing. Counter trend. Getting one down, one up. That's a little counter trend. And probably down again. I don't know. It's accumulation stage here. Look at all this green down in here. Do you want to start accumulating some NVIDIA for a long run today? Do you think it's going to turn and out and go up like Superman? Up and away. It very well could. Look at the green down here. Oh my goodness. It's gone from red to green. Red to green. What would you do if you did, Lan? Well, if you thought you wanted to get into this one, you'd turn on Heikin-Ashi first of all, and you'd say, if it broke above that previous high, let's turn Heikin-Ashi back off. Let's get rid of these lines. Delete all arrows. I'd come in here with, let's say, how much money do we have? We got a little bit, 100 shares, and we would say, boom, 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 and we'd say, if it breaks above here, we'll get in. If it doesn't, we won't. What if it just keeps going down, Lan? Well, that doesn't cost you anything, and you don't lose any money if it doesn't get filled. And if it goes up and starts to go higher, it'll get you in just like that. And then you can put your stop real close. You just put it right here and just say, stop me out. Get me out if it doesn't work. You can just put your stop right there, just like that. And you can say, if it doesn't keep going up, if it goes and turns and comes right back down, gets me out, I'll get out with a tiny little loss. And I'll say, it wasn't a trade I wanted to be in anyway. All right. Ford just got stopped out with a 4-cent loss. We just lost money on Ford. Their $20 loss. Oh, wait, we had a $20 loss on Ford. Which one got stopped out and gave us money? Oh, Palantir. Oh, no, AT&T. What? AT&T? I didn't know we were in AT&T. Let's leave this one, let it cook for a minute. It's just going to sizzle on the stove for a minute. I didn't know we had AT&T. We don't even have AT&T. We must have had that one left over. Well, it must have been a leftover. What? Pull up AT&T because we just got stopped out on AT&T. Huh. Chart. AT&T's flushing like a toilet. Well, well, well. I didn't even know we had a position on AT&T. Who's trading my AT&T account? Look at that thing. Man, it took off. Right back down. I have no idea. I didn't even have AT&T open. Somebody else is trading my account. But they made $88, so I guess we're not going to get mad at them. Look at that little shelf right there. That's called a little wedge formation. Look at that thing come down, counter trend, flush. Whew. What's going on over here? This is the Dow trying to go up. Oh, how did we do that? That was a mistake. Close position. I didn't want that. I think I had my stop at the wrong quantity. I had 3 here and 4 here. I forgot to change the quantity, guys. So it stopped me out. The little, oh, that's sad. It stopped me out, and I had the wrong quantity on the stop. Don't make that mistake. Well, that sucks, doesn't it? We're just not going nowhere. All these little patterns coming in here. There's one big, long, pointy pattern. Pointy pattern. It just wants to hang out at the 1 standard deviation. Doesn't want to leave it. Well, that's AT&T. Somebody traded that. Super Micro. Heikin-Ashi. We must have left that AT&T trade on from a while ago. I don't know. It's weird. Okay, Palantir. It's still coming down. It's flushing out. Look at it. Broke out the bottom of that little wedge pattern instead of out the top. We wanted it to go this way. No. No. It said no. No, I'm going this way. So what if you want to get in and ride it to the next one up? Well, you could do that. You could come in here and put this in here and say, I'm just going to drop it way up here. Oh, could not place Palantir. There's not enough day trading buying power. What have we got? Oh, we only have $14. 14,000. Bring it all the way down. There, let's just do $10,000. Keep it easy. Okay, we're going to drop our stop way up here. And then we're going to right click on it, say edit. And then we're going to go trail on the ATR. And notice it's an open position. So until it crosses above those yellow lines, the yellow dots, it won't get you in. And that doesn't cost you anything. Not even in the stock market. Of course, technically speaking, it's not supposed to cost you anything in the stock market, even when it goes across it, fills it. No commissions in the stock market, right? Supposedly. You still have the spread. You still have the front running going on. You still have them that they sell your orders to somebody else and get paid for it. They're making money on you. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. They're making money on you. Look, we're in the red up here. We're not even in the green. What are you doing, Lan? Well, I just seeing if it's going to cross the little green dots, little yellow dots in this case. Yellow on this one, green on the other. Okay, it did. Crossed them. See, started to go above the little yellow dots. That's just the average true range. So it just increased, went up above the average true range. What does that mean? Nothing. It's just a trigger. All right. Means nothing. So you have to put your stop in. So you come in here, you say, well, if it comes and turns around, it comes back down. It wasn't a trade I wanted to be in anyway. But as long as it stays up there, maybe it'll go up. Maybe it'll make some money. Nobody knows. The only thing you can do is stab your poppet. Pop, 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 my poppet. Go, 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 poppet. Go, 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 Palantir, poppet. Come on, Palantir. Nothing really happening for us today. These markets are just as dead as a doornail. You ever heard that term? Dead as a doornail. Is a doornail dead? I guess. Doornails are dead. There we go. It's moving a little bit. NVIDIA. Oh, this is NVIDIA. I thought it was Palantir. What difference does it make? It's a pattern. It's a trigger. It's a setup. It's a setup and a trigger. Who cares what you're trading? As long as it's moving in your favor. It's all we care. How come we're in this one? How do we end up with this one? This is 100 shares. I don't get this one. Oh, we are in Palantir. My goodness sakes, I just get so confused. We got so many things going on here. This is Moderna. Oh, Moderna. Oh, Moderna. Oh, Moderna. Look at this, Moderna. That was the game we were playing, and we couldn't put a stop in because they wouldn't let us. And they're just trying to protect you. Just trying to protect you. Not letting you put stops in. We don't want you to get stopped out. That wouldn't be protecting you. Rotten boogers. Now we're down $100 because we couldn't put a stop in. I was worried that Moderna would do this. Nobody wants to buy Moderna. Who thinks Moderna's a good buy? Nobody. Nobody wants to buy Moderna. Nobody wants to get another Corona shot. Nobody wants one. Nobody wants your product, Moderna. I don't know. Let's put our stop in. Let's say if little Moderna here comes down and breaks a new low, we'll just get out. But if it stays in and tries to go back up, you know what? I'm not real thrilled about Moderna. We'll just put a limit order in here and say if it comes up there, oh, it's not going to let us do it. I hate the rules of the stock market. This is why I trade futures. They don't let you do anything fun. Come on, run, stock market. You have to sit here and watch it because it won't let you put in contingency orders. No contingency orders in the stock market. Let's see if they'll let us do it this way. Add an OCO. We can do it this way. We'll put a limit stop order right here. And we'll put a limit order right here. We'll have to do it this way. Okay, they let me do it that way. All right. So if it keeps going down, we'll just get out. We'll say sorry, Moderna. But if it goes up, we're not really excited about this market anyway. We'll just take our position off at break even. Moderna kind of sucks. It's not going anywhere. Let's go take a look at over here. It's the only one that's right. Look, it said it rose 6%. What's that one? Ford. What the heck is BFB? I thought it was like Brown Forman Corporation. Wow, they popped. Hill. What the heck? Huntington Ingalls Industry. Look at that thing. Rocking and rolling. Intel. Flushing. Nothing's really working for us today. Freeport, FCX. Let's go look at FCX. Trade, chart, FCX. 2-minute chart. Markets are so dead today. We might go to a 1-minute chart. Look at this. Put it on your Heikin-Ashi. That thing wants to go again, doesn't it? This was 5 o'clock. Ooh, look at that. That's our 5 o'clock bail. There's our 7:30 bail. This is our ABC pattern. We got A, counter trend B, C. We're right here, ready to rock and roll. Those blue lights are ready to cross. Freeport McMoran. That baby might go. I don't think so. It looks dead to me, but you never know. Somebody might get excited and start buying some Freeport. What's going on with your other trades while you're sitting here wasting time and looking at this thing? I don't know. mRNA is trying to get rolling here. Yeah, just take it off at break even. Get her up there, break me even. Here, we'll even bring the stop up so we don't even lose so much if it turns around and flushes again. Right there. All right, get us out. Get us out of mRNA. We don't want it. Take it, take it, take it, take it. Take the mRNA. Come on. Right back to our break even. Come on, get out of there. We don't want you. There we go. All right. We closed out our mRNA. Bye. Don't want to see you again. See ya. Okay. NVIDIA. All right. We're rocking and rolling with our NVIDIA. 100 shares. Palantir's making us money. All right. Let's come in here and edit. We're going to go in here and we're going to trail. Is that a, nope, we can do it up here. Trail ATR. There we go. We'll just trail that baby right on up. What about this one here? NVIDIA. Let's turn on our little trailers. Our trailers, ATR. There we go. There it is. There's our trailers. Edit. We're going to come in here and go trail on the ATR, just like that. Now it's just going to trail right on up. And back to Freeport again. Is Freeport going to break? Boy, it looks like a good buy. Looks like a nice trigger point. We should be getting in right now, but let's go. How much money have we got? We only have $7,000. We'll put 100. Should we wait? It's pulling back. It stabbed the blue light, broke the blue light. Oftentimes when it breaks the blue light, it turns and flushes a little bit. Let's wait and see. We want to get in on this one, baby. How are you going to get in, Lan? Well, I'd like to see another lower high. One more lower high. Come on, you can give me a lower high. One more lower high. How many should we got in here? We got $7,000 left. We're going to do 6,500. 6,500. That's close enough. Okay, we're going to put in half of it right now because it doesn't look like it wants to give me a lower high. But if it does, I'll drop the other half in. Come on, Freeport, McMoran. Okay, we're going to drop this in up here. We're going to say edit, and we're going to say trail, price bars back, and we're going to go 1.1, 1.1. So that's one price bar and one minimum move. Now, I'm not sure if it'll do that in the stock market. I'm more of a futures guy. I think it will. If it gives me a lower high, it'll drop down. If it doesn't, it won't. I want a lower high. Come on, give me one lower high, one little bar, and then take off, make higher highs. What's going on over there on the other ones, Lan? I don't know. Let's look and see. There, did it. Gave me my lower high. Uh-oh, these are backing off a little bit. Don't die on us now. Don't die on me now. What about this one? Palantir. Stay up there. Come on, stay up there. Yeah, these things need some Viagra today. The only thing that can keep losing money for us is Tesla. Tesla keeps going down, 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 down. Tesla. Did you see that lady? What's her name? Some actress donated her car to NPR. Donated her Tesla to NPR. I don't like you, Elon Musk. I'm giving my car to Tesla. I'm giving my Tesla to NPR. As if NPR needs your car. That's real helpful. Please. Already. Never mind. Shut up, Lan. What's happening here? Freeport roll ran. Not playing nice with the party. We got stopped out. We're sure moving slow. We were up at $600 at one point, and we didn't take it because we were looking for more. We're greedy. So we're only up $189 today. And this one here, now we're down $2. $2 on Freeport. It's all the money we got. It's all the money we had. Well, we got more now. Sit around and wait. Let's go look over at our Dow, see what it's doing. Oh, did we get stopped out? We did. It died. Oh, we weren't in. We got stopped out. It's just going sideways. Look, it respected that thing again. So we started here. We respected it there. More respect. Boy, they really respect that trend line I drew in there. I drew that trend line and they said, Lan, draw a line in the sand right there. We better not go above it. We better not go above that if Lan said not to. Lan said there's a line there. We better not go above it. See how they listen to me? Right back down into the Delta Kona probability. Right back down in there. It's where it wants to stay today. We're not having any luck. If we didn't have any bad luck, we wouldn't have any luck at all. These guys are supposed to be luck. No, they're not supposed to be luck. They're supposed to be magic. Black magic. Did that scare you? Scared the Dow. Look at the Dow. It scared the Dow. Let's go over and look at the. We ain't going nowhere with this one. Let's put a stop in. Let's get out of this damn thing. This thing's over. Put a fork in it. It ain't going up anymore. Nobody's excited about this one. Exit chart. Get out. That's a rotten little FCX. Let's go look at NVIDIA. We got a little bit going on here. Let's see what happens with NVIDIA. We'll just watch our little, and take that off the screen. It's just so annoying. All right, here we go with NVIDIA again. Plan, put some more on. Yeah, I should have. Put some more on NVIDIA. Who knows? Who knows if you should put some more on or not? We don't have enough room in here. Oh, I don't know. I guess we have a little bit of room. When we put in one at a time, it's coming back. That was a nasty little move. Got everybody excited, thinking that it was going to go up. Come on, here it goes. Let's add a few in. Let's go buy. See, we'll move our little green line up. Just keep adding them. We could probably add more than one at a time. 5 at a time. Okay. But you can't, if you do that, you can't raise it above your stop. Your stop's right here. Now you're at break even. You've added more in, but you're at break even. You don't want to add more in until your green line goes above your red line. Your red line's trailing on the average true range, which is the yellow dots. If you add too many in on the green line, it'll jump it above your red line, and then you're in trouble, because then if it comes down and touches your red line to get you out, stops you out, you lose money. At least this way we're adding in, but we're not adding in so many that we get stopped out with a loss. At least we get stopped out at break even. So I added some in to bring it up to break even. That's how you do it. If you add them in and bring it up to break even, well, if it touches you or it comes down and hits your red order, well, you lost all the money that you put in. Didn't do you any good. So you have to decide if you really think that market's going to go up, or if you think it's going to, and see if it comes down and touches our red line. We put all of our money in the market. Now we're losing. We take all our money away. That's why you don't put it above your red line. You don't dollar cost average your order above your red line, because if you do, then you lose money when you had money. That's how you turn a winner into a loser. So when you ever hear anybody say, we got too many exit chart. So if you hear somebody say, don't turn a winner into a loser, that's what they mean. Don't have your order making money and then start adding in, which brings your dollar cost average above your exit. That turns a winner into a loser, which we just did. Doggone it. How did we lose $680 on? How do we lose $680? That's not right. We didn't turn a loser into a winner. That's not right. Those were winners. Those were both winners. And look, they told us we lost 680 and 155. There's no way that's not right. That is incorrect, my friends. That is incorrect math right there. Those were profitable trades, both of them. One of them was right at break even, and look, they took us out at 680 on that. This was basically a scratch trade. This is incorrect math. Math is incorrect. That is not right. I do not. Look at this thing flushing. We got out at break even, and actually one of them had profit. One was break even, one was profit, and they told us 680 and 155. They're not doing their dollar cost averaging correctly. Don't believe that. I wonder what the heck went wrong there. This is the demo account. It's not real money, so whoever's doing their math in the demo account doesn't know what they're doing. I wonder if that's a track and trade thing, or if that's an exchange thing. Not exchange, clearing firm thing, because they're the ones who do the simulated trading, not Track and trade just tells you what they tell you. Reports what they tell you. That's not right, though. We know that's not right. We know that's not right. We were making money. We were profitable. Huh. It's a little disappointing. All right, let's go in, and we're not having a good day today. There's no market excitement. Dow's flushing back down. Did you guys have any luck today? We had no luck. Not even these little guys. Not even these little guys could bring us any luck today. Not even him. Not even this guy. And he's my most powerful guy. That guy right there. Ooh, he's mean. He's a mean bugger. So he even had no power over this market today. All right, let's go and show you the software we're using. This is the software we're using, if you want to know. It's called Track and Trade. And tracktrade.com. Go get some. We were using both of them today, stocks and futures. But the demo account gave us bad mojo in the math. Bad math. All right, there we go, guys. That's all I got for you. I don't even have a Sunday school lesson for you today. If you didn't have fun, you don't have to push this button. Don't give me no thumbs up. We did make money today. So we did come out with a green day on a crappy day with no momentum. So if you want to give me a thumbs up, they're always appreciated. Yesterday, I had a bang up day, had a really nice day. We had a good day yesterday, and I only got 2 thumbs up. So nobody appreciated it at all. It's disappointing. It didn't cost you anything. I didn't charge you. Sat here and spent a whole day with you. Didn't even give me a thumbs up. Crying my tea. I was sitting here and crying my beer. No thumbs up for me. All right, guys. That's all we get. That's all she blows today. We'll catch you next time.